The top 5 health benefits of interacting with nature. Nature decreasing stress. Additionally, research in prisons shows that inmates with cell windows with views of the natural world had lower rates of digestive illnesses, headaches, and had fewer sick calls overall. Employees with a view of nature perceive lower levels of job stress and higher levels of job satisfaction. The stress-reducing health benefits of nature also extend to the workplace. Access to the outdoors makes you feel energized. Research has shown that humans elicit positive psychological responses to nature, which involve feelings of pleasure, sustained attention or interest, feeling a relaxed wakefulness, and a decrease of negative emotions such as anger and anxiety. All of these effects can be beneficial in our professional and academic environments, as well as our personal lives. Being in nature can help clear your head. This is a simple way of saying that when a person is exposed to nature, the brain is better able to relieve itself of excess circulation or activity, and nervous system activation is reduced, allowing us to feel relaxed and present. Additionally, experience with nature can help strengthen the activities of the right hemisphere of the brain and help restore harmony to the brain as a whole. Interactions with nature can help people recover from mental fatigue. After hours of sitting behind a desk or in front of a computer, it can be pretty easy to feel drained and tired. However, research has shown that exposure to nature can help promote a sense of natural fascination and curiosity, which can help increase creativity in a way that feels less like work. Furthermore, interactions with nature can help promote a sense of being away from all the chaos of our busy lives. This can help provide a temporary escape from one's usual setting or situation. Viewing natural scenes has shown increased recovery rates in hospital patients. Studies have shown that being able to view natural scenic areas may actually reduce the physiological effects of stress. Patients in hospitals with access to view natural scenery show increased recovery rates, had better evaluations from nurses, required fewer painkillers, and had less post-operative complications compared to those who viewed urban scenes.